Hey, Sheen Rebitz here. It's been a while, hasn't it? Maybe because I was a bit busy with school, but this week I have spring vacation. And I think on the 27th or 28th of March, I'll be on vacation again. Don't, and things have been so crazy with school. Not crazy, busy with school. So it has been a while, everybody, and doing this for you, everybody. So, let's see. And I think that's it. I was gonna say is, oh yeah, are you ready for spring? I am too. Oh, and I got a question. Do you think it's a little early to celebrate summer? Or something? No, I don't think it's a little too early to celebrate summer. I'm sorry, getting ready for summer, but I guess we'll just do something to get ready for summer. But first, before that, we're gonna do something, we're gonna do something that will get, I'm sorry, hold on. We're gonna do something that will get us ready for spring. So, this is a little fun to do. Ah, okay. I'm gonna get a. There we go. There we go. What I'll do is I'll get a plastic bag, okay, and we're gonna fill it with water. Oh, speaking of which, or you could try something filling it with water. You can use a water bottle, whatever you use. So, make me thirsty. What should I do? I'll take a sip of my orange apple juice first. Hmm. Okay. Now, you have a water bottle right here, which is, of course, I'm sorry, is it making you thirsty? I'm sorry. If it does, I'm sorry. Well, if not, then okay. You can get something to drink if you want to. You can just pause for a minute, or if you don't mind playing it still while you're listening, you can get yourself a glass or a bottle of water, or something, whatever you can drink. Sorry. So sorry, buddy. But anyway, I got this water bottle here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a watering can. Now sometimes if your water can's broken or you can't find it, or sometimes it's a little hard to fill it up or something like that, or when you're filling up something, in like for example, if you're putting something like in a cup or a vase, what we do is we're gonna make a watering can out of a plastic bag. Well, maybe we'll do that first before we do the water bottle. Sound good to you? I believe so. Okay. Okay, now we're just gonna put this up. Okay. Oh, biscuit. Oh, jeez. Okay. You are going to drop something. Okay. Okay. But now here's the fun part. What we're gonna use is oh use this vase. I'm gonna put this up. Make it a little easy for you so you all can see. I will put it right up. Sorry, buddy. Listen. Anyway. Okay. Anyway. Now, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this plastic bag right here. What we're gonna use is we're gonna use a thumbtack. So if you have a thumbtack at home, you can just plug in. Oh yeah, I forgot to say is you can try this at home. This is really fun. It's just something fun you can try at home. Feel free to everybody. Okay, I'll be right back. One second. But if you're ready, just click the time note down below. Sorry, buddy. Anything else? What is this? Okay, that would work. Okay, now what we're gonna do? Okay, I couldn't find it, so we'll use this. Hey, you think a stapler might work? Well, let's give it a try. Well, if you find something, whatever it is, don't have to be whatever I have. You can find whatever, some point, and then you can do it. Plug some holes in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just. There you go. Okay. Now can I see? Oh, I'm sorry, my phone. Well, actually, sorry. This is just. Actually, wait a minute. I'm gonna do. Sorry, it's just a mess in here. Sorry, everybody. I'm trying to make this clear as I can. That way I can show you. Okay, now you can see. There you go. Is that better? Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do is oh, here we go. Oh, still got a sticker here. We'll just. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh. Hey, you think that worked? I believe it did. Oh. Well, I think this could have worked. Like I say, it's whatever you got at home, like some like a thumbtack, we do it. You plug some holes in here, or cut something, then you can plant it on the vase, or cut whatever you got, whatever plant you got. And isn't that cool? Very cool, huh? Nice. Okay, now we got this one right here. Huh. You think this will be the same one? Let's give it a try. Let's see. Look at that. It worked. It planted. Nice. And uh-oh. Wait, I think everything's okay. Never mind. What I'm gonna do is just keep planting this. Okay. Perfect, huh? Isn't that cool? I figured. Okay. And also, use this plane as well. Fill this up. Now this should be a little easier. Hope it doesn't splatter everywhere. And then we can just fill this up. That way. Fill this up. And just keep going. That way the plants will get plenty of water to drink. But just be careful, if you have a hole right here, all you can do is just squeeze the tip like this. And hold it in. Okay. It is cool. Pretty cool, huh? Yes. Okay. Cool one. Wasn't it cool, everybody? I believe so. And also, this is the fun part. And if you want to, you can string it too. That's so good. And you can water your plants and stay hydrated. Sometimes when you're out thirsty or something like that, or you're trying to busy watering the plant, and you're like, oh, okay, I'll give myself some drink. Well, you can use one side for the plant, one side for you. See, so the plant can get a drink, and you can get a drink. What do you mean? But pretty. How cool is this? Isn't that awesome? Yeah. So you do this. Is also how this happens is fill this up with water. You can get a thumbtack or scissors, or use a stapler. Use a stapler. It can make little holes. And so you can try this at home. So you can try this. This was something I don't remember what it was. Well, while I think about that, feel free to try this at home. This is so much fun. You can try this with your friends or your family and your neighbors, or try it wherever you want to do it with. Oh wait. Oh yeah. And that way, when you're outside, you can water the plants and then get yourself something to drink. Cool part, huh? Drink it as much water as you like, and you always give it to the plants too. Why don't you add juice in there? I mean, you can, but I was gonna say is you might not want to give the plants some juice because it'll be very sticky. Yeah, like if you're planting, giving the water some plant, I'm sorry, giving your plants some juice, it would not grow. It'll be very sticky to grow. Get that sticky to grow? Oh dear. Oh, oh man. Wait, what? So this is pretty cool. We should try this at home. You should really try this. This is so much fun. So what you do is, so once again, all you do is just fill it up with water. Use a thumbtack. Well, you can just do it like this, and then you can. Wait. Oh yeah, or you can just do it like this side or this side where there's no water. Plug some holes in here, or you have scissors, you can cut it, or use a stapler, and it'll just make some holes in here, like this. Use a stapler. Oh, you put. You do is just like that and like that, and boom, like that. I already did it. So give it another try. It'll make little holes in here. Or what you can do is you can just do like this, move it around a little bit, and make some holes in here. That's cool, huh? It's very cool, huh? So, yeah, I think it's fun. So be free to try this. Oh, and we're saying with the water bottle too. Oh yeah. One more thing. If you have a water bottle too, you can make it as a water can. So what you do is the same thing. Well, you might just use a thumbtack because it will be easier. Just get a thumbtack, plug some holes in here. It'll make it as a water can, and then just do it like this. Squeeze it, and you can still have some drink. So, oh yeah, I got it now. So that way, you know what the cool thing is when you're outside, like you're doing this beautiful day. Yeah, there you go. Like you're out doing this beautiful day. I'm out too, but someone's like, oh, what was I get a drink, but I want to stay out like that. Well, sort of like what. Well, that way you don't have to walk all the way back in, get some drinks, something like that. I mean, if you can, if you want, I'm not saying that. Yeah, I mean, I won't really know what you're doing. I'm just saying, um, you can do is you can still get a drink. So what you do is, you can well for a bag, you can plug holes on this side, plug a hole on this side and this side. You can have one side for some drink or plant, and for the other side you can have some drink for a plastic bag. But for this one, it can be all. Just do this if you want to plant some water. Plant the water. Or sometimes you when like yeah, let's get some plants out here. Plants. Oh, there's a plant over here. I'm gonna get two plants. Plants. Okay. Now you're saying that when you want to plant some like your grass or your flowers, you're like, oh, I have a water can. You're like, oh, after holes in here, what we'll do is just do this. That way you can water your plants, and most important, you can still have a drink of water. Now, as you notice, you can still stay hydrated. Sorry. Anyway, so yeah, just feel free to try it. It's very cool, very awesome, right? Sorry about that. So yeah, be free to try this. It's really cool, and you still get so you can water your plants still and give yourself something to drink. Cool, huh? Yeah. Anyway, I think that's about it. Oh, I don't know. Well, that's my other one. Oh, so yeah, so try it. So give it a try. It's free too. It's always good. Yeah, some work can be a little. Let me use this one. Yeah, I got two of them. So yeah. So yeah, be free to try it. It's really cool. So what we do is plug some holes in here, plant water, plant them like this, and then give yourself some drink. I don't know if this works or not, but that's okay. Watch me. It was the once. That's okay. water, I'm sure the water is still good. Oh, but alright, okay. So anyway, um, ah, I remember. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, just click the like button down below, and be sure to watch it again if you want to. And don't forget this: subscribe. Be free to. You know, for some of you that have been supporting me, thank you all so much. And also, me and my cousin and I, we couldn't do songs, but we'll see what we can do. But if you've been supporting us, Reasons Spade 1, thank you so much. We really appreciate with all the support that we need to get. So thank you so much, everybody. And give us a contact if you want like a performance or something like that. Me and my cousin, we'll see what we can do, or maybe just me. Visit my website anytime. My website, well, my two websites will be down here. Click down below. So if you have any questions about whatever was going on, if you want some entertainment, just let me know, and we'll see what we can do. Well, my entertainments will be returning in May, so I'm not sure when date. Well, I'll let you know when, because my entertainments are May, July, September, October, and November, and I think that's it. Yeah. Let's see. Anything else? I think that's about it. Oh, okay. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and we will see you really soon, everybody. Have a great night or day.